Hello, it's Kata. I'll be talking about two projection kicking drill. The order of the video is how to stand, how to move, kicking drill 1, kicking drill 1 plus, kicking drill 2, kicking drill 2 plus. I posted a past video of the projection zenkutachi gyaksugi. And now, I'm going to show you a different way to practice. This practice contributes to the stability of your karate footwork and to your ability to perform kumite and kata. If you are new to my video, I suggest you watch the previous video before watching this one. In addition, if you skip to the end of the video, you may lose the order. So please stay with this video until the end, even if it's a bit tedious. Before starting a lesson, this channel is a video to support beginners who want to get black belt. I upload video to show karate tips and training methods for beginners. And please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss it, because this video has the advantage that you will be able to practice and improve efficiently. Then let's get it started. Preparation. First of all, let's become a motodachi. Movement without kicking. One at a time in order. Bring the back foot slightly outward, about a foot and half forward. Turn your body to the left as seen from you using your ball of foot. Do not use heel. Practice the position of the feet many times to get a feel for it. As you get used to it, you will be able to do it without checking the position of your feet. Once again in order. Kicking during one movement combined with kicking. One at a time in order. Kicking the front. Place the kick leg in a position to take motodachi in the next direction of motion. When you turn your body in the direction of motion, turn your foot in the same direction. Caution. Do not run with leg fully extended after kicking. Land with the first snap of the kick. After kicking, check the position of your foot slowly and not rushing. The body is not turned toward the next direction of motion until the leg has landed. After landing the kicking leg, turn your body in the next direction at the same time as the kicking leg. If you get used to it, turn your body as soon as the kicking foot touches the ground. If you can get this working, let's try the opposite. Once again in order. Kicking drill 1 plus. Demonstration. Full direction training with a combination of kick and punches. One at a time in order. Punch using the face. Punch using the force to rotate your body after kicking. If you are too conscious to punching first, the movements of the upper and lower body will become disjointed. So, as I said in the first part, do not immediately try to turn your body in the direction of motion, but use your lower body well. If you do this, your lower body and upper body will work well together, and you will be able to make a strong punch. Once again in order. Kicking drill 2. Next, kicking 4 direction with this action. Demonstration. One at a time in order. First kick in front with the right foot, then backward. This time with the leg that runs backward. Kick with the left leg. Change the direction of the kicked leg to the left. Kick with the right foot, then backward with that kicking leg, and kick with the left foot. Then kick with the right leg. Finally, kick with the left foot to the front. Kick in the flow order. Right foot, left foot, right foot, left foot, right foot, left foot. Don't be in a hurry, but make sure your body is facing forward before you kick. The tips for the back are described in different videos, so use that as a reference. Once again in order. How was it? The order is difficult at first, but try practicing once a week. Once you get used to it, you will be able to move without thinking. It's natural that everyone cannot do it at first. The key is the ability to continue. Take your time and go at your own pace. If you think this video is good, please leave a comment. It will encourage me. See you in the next video. Bye bye.